Hey everyone, Deb here, and I am here with some very special guests today. My daughter Olivia.
Hi.
And my daughter Zara.
Hi.
And today we're talking about the topic of helping your kids transition to the toxic-free life without the struggle. And our blog post with the link below has all the different tips on doing that really effectively. In this video, we're covering one of those tips, which is helping the girls, or all of our kids, find what their favorite oils are, having a smell of them, and then making some of their own oils and loving them for themselves. So first of all, my girls wanted to share with you what some of their favorite oils were and when they love to use those oils. So Olivia, can you tell me what your favorite oils are?
Kid Care and lavender.
Beautiful. And when are some of the times that you love to use your oils?
When I go skating and I get blisters.
Yeah.
And lavender when I have mozzie bites.
Fantastic. And tell me, how do those oils make you feel when you've used them?
Very good.
Very good. Oh, thank you for sharing that. That's fantastic. All right, tell me, Zara, what are your favourite essential oils?
I love Stress Away, Joy, and Vela.
Fantastic. And can you tell me, when are your favourite times to use essential oils?
Well, with Vela, I love it because it makes me feel a lot better when I fall over
and hurt yourself. Yeah. Yep. When are some other times that you like to use oils?
And with Joy and Stress Away, I like using them for massaging people and help me relax.
Do they? And do you know what? I actually get some of those massages and it is very relaxing. That's beautiful. And we also they love it when either I make them or they make them themselves, and they get their own special little roller bottles and they get to make up their own blends. And we often have little recipes that they get to choose, and they blend the oils together and make their own roller bottles on. Some of them even have their own little pouches, and inside the pouch, these usually get to clip to either their handbag or inside a bag, and when you open them, you can then put in their roller bottles inside, and it's just a handy way for them to feel like they've got their own little supply. Do you guys like having your own little supply of these? Fantastic. All right, so we also love to make things out of our essential oils. Olivia, what's some of the fun things that you've made with your essential oils?
I've made sleeping oils that help me go to sleep very well.
Yeah?
And
what's something really squishy and smells amazing that you've made? Do you remember?
Goo.
Goo. Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Yeah? And why do you love making Play-Doh with oils?
Because it smells very nice.
That's fantastic. And what about you, Zara? What are some things you've made with oils?
I've made two things. I have made bath salts and soap.
Excellent. And that soap was absolutely amazing. One of our other things we've loved to make is lip balm, and it has been the most effective lip balm, particularly during windy days, that dry winter season. Very, very delicious lip balm. So if you guys would like any of our recipes that we make for our kids that are very kid friendly, easy to make, then make sure you click the blog post link below so you can get access to your own free download of all our recipes. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.